Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the binary. It's binary time. In this puzzle page of the weekend edition, Saturday, Sunday, February the 17th and 18th, 2024. It's today, Saturday, yes. Tomorrow I will solve the puzzles in the additional. There are 7 extra puzzles. But in this puzzle page, I've already done 2 puzzles, the 3-star Sudoku, the killer Sudoku, so 2 puzzles are left. The jigsaw Sudoku, aka tectonic, in Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese Suguru. And this one you are interested, the binary. Yes, let me do this one. This one has 27 printed digits. That one has 28. So this one will be number 8023. Told you this one has 27 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10. That means in a row or in a column there are always 5 O's and 5 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. 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 And now the double ones. Double one, here one, here no, there no. Double O's, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Oh, double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 1's comes in O. Between 2 1's comes in O. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1's. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1's comes in O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. And between 2 1's comes in O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1's. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between the 1's comes an O. Between the 1's comes an O. Between the O's comes in 1. And between 2 O's comes in 1. Double ones. Here no, there no. Double O's. Here 1, there 1. Come on. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes, between there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. So that box should be an O. Here the same situation, between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes. There's always an O and a 1 there. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So that box should be a 1. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 1's in a row in the second row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can we know this should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, we have here 4 1's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Well, this one. We have here 4 O's. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I place number 5 in one of those two boxes, then we have here 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so here can be an O. This should be a 1 here. O also. Alright. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So the one could be here, here, or there. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. If I place number 5 here, the 5th one, then we have 4 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules. So this can be 1, this should be no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have still 4 ones. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1, this should be no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 4 ones in a row in this first column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. Between the 1s comes an O, between the O's comes an 1, between the O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1s, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1s, so the rest are O's. Alright, now double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Finished in 7 minutes. Well, without comparing. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solved by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the Jigsaw Sudoku. Yeah, until then, bye bye for now.